Welcome back to Mytharchy, Architecture Design Ideas. As the air turns crisp and the days grow shorter, many of us look forward to decorating our homes for the fall season. But let's be honest, sometimes fall decor can feel overwhelming. Bright oranges, dozens of pumpkins, oversized wreaths, and cluttered mantels, it can quickly shift from cozy to chaotic. This year, let's take a different path. What if your fall decor didn't overwhelm your space, but instead brought calm, serenity, and a sense of balance? What if you could capture the essence of autumn without clutter, without stress, and without overspending? In today's video, we'll explore minimal fall decor. Think calm neutral tones, natural textures, and clutter-free styling. A look that is seasonal, stylish, and soothing to the soul. Whether you live in a studio apartment, a modern city loft, or a spacious family home, these ideas will help you design a cozy autumn retreat with intention and elegance. So grab your favorite warm drink, settle into a comfortable seat, and let's begin. Minimal fall decor isn't about doing less for the sake of less. It's about intentional simplicity. In our busy, overstimulated world, our homes should feel like sanctuaries of peace. And the way we decorate can play a huge role in that. Think about it when you walk into a space overflowing with bold colors, oversized decor, and endless patterns, your eyes and mind don't know where to rest. Instead of feeling calm, you feel crowded. But when you enter a room styled with restraint, a neutral palette, a single vase of dried flowers, a candle glowing softly, suddenly you can breathe. Minimal fall decor is about choosing quality over quantity, presence over excess. It's about allowing each piece you place in your home to have meaning, to tell a story, and to leave room for calm. This approach also saves money and reduces waste, two things we can all appreciate. And above all, it creates an environment where you can truly relax, enjoy the season, and reconnect with what matters most, your own sense of peace. One of the most important foundations of minimal fall decor is the color palette. Instead of saturating your home with neon orange, deep burgundy, and busy patterns, we turn to calm, natural shades. Imagine a palette inspired by your favorite cafe: creamy latte, rich espresso, soft oat milk, taupe, warm sand, and gentle grays. These hues are timeless and versatile. They work beautifully with existing furniture, and they instantly make a space feel cohesive and grounded. A single terracotta vase in a latte-toned room speaks volumes. A chunky cream blanket draped over a gray sofa feels instantly cozy. Even pumpkins, when kept in shades of white, beige, or muted clay, become sophisticated accents instead of overwhelming focal points. Neutral fall palettes are not boring. In fact, they're deeply comforting. They allow you to relax in your home without being overstimulated. And perhaps most importantly, they create a backdrop that allows the textures, lighting, and natural elements of fall to shine. When you reduce color, texture becomes your best friend. Instead of piling on objects, we layer materials that feel natural, tactile, and inviting. Think of linen table runners that softly drape across a dining table. Wool throws that invite you to curl up on a chilly evening. Stone candle holders that feel solid and timeless. Clay pots that add warmth to corners. And of course, dried foliage, pampas grass, eucalyptus, wheat stalks that brings nature indoors in a way that is both seasonal and minimal. Textures add dimension. They bring richness without requiring dozens of items. A smooth ceramic paired with rough wood creates visual harmony. A soft blanket layered with a crisp linen pillow feels intentional. The goal is to stimulate the senses without overwhelming them. Minimal fall decor isn't about empty spaces, it's about balanced spaces. Texture is what transforms those simple neutral rooms into cozy autumn retreats. One of the secrets of minimal decorating is focusing on statement pieces instead of scattering countless small objects. In fall decor, this could mean a single oversized pumpkin on your coffee table, a sculptural vase filled with dried branches on your dining table, a brass candle holder displayed proudly on your mantle, a woven basket holding blankets in your entry. When you let each item have its space, it commands attention. It becomes art. The negative space around it allows the eye to rest, to notice, to appreciate. Compare that to a room overflowing with trinkets. Your eye doesn't know where to look. Nothing stands out because everything is competing. So this season, ask yourself, what one or two pieces can transform this room? Focus on those and let them breathe. Light is one of the most powerful elements in fall decorating. As the days grow shorter, our homes crave warmth and glow. Instead of filling your rooms with flashy string lights or glowing ornaments, minimal fall decor leans into natural and subtle lighting. Daylight becomes a design tool. Open your curtains, let in soft autumn sunshine. Pair it with layers of warm artificial light, a linen-shaded lamp in the corner, a cluster of candles on the dining table, a lantern by the entryway. Candles are particularly powerful. Their soft flicker creates a sense of intimacy and calm that no electric bulb can replace. And today, sustainable options like soy and beeswax make them healthier for your home too. Think of lighting not just as function, but as atmosphere. Minimal fall decor glows softly, calmly, intentionally. Many people assume minimal decor requires expensive pieces, but in reality, it's one of the most budget-friendly approaches to decorating. Why? Because you buy less and you make more with what you already own. Here are a few hacks. Shop your home first. Swap a summer pillow cover for a neutral linen one. Bring out a cozy blanket you already own. Thrift with purpose. Vintage candlesticks, ceramic bowls, and woven baskets are inexpensive and timeless. DIY your way to warmth. Spray paint old vases in matte terracotta. Turn glass jars into candle holders. Forage branches from your yard to use as centerpieces. Rotate instead of hoarding. Instead of buying endless bins of seasonal decor, reuse your neutrals year after year, simply styling them in new ways. Minimal fall decor proves that simplicity isn't just beautiful, it's practical. One of the greatest gifts of fall is nature itself. Instead of filling your home with artificial decor, why not let nature provide your inspiration? Gather branches, acorns, pine cones, or dried leaves. Place them in a simple bowl, vase, or basket. Style them minimally, letting their natural shapes and colors speak. Foraged decor is sustainable, free, and deeply authentic. Unlike faux plastic garlands, these natural elements age beautifully, reminding us of the cycle of the seasons. A single branch of dried eucalyptus in a ceramic vase can make a stronger statement than any store-bought decoration. Minimal fall decor allows nature to be the star. Minimal fall decor is more than a design trend, it's a lifestyle choice. It's about creating a home that reflects the rhythm of slow living, where every item has purpose and every space invites peace. Imagine sipping tea by candlelight in a clutter-free living room, reading a book in a bedroom layered with soft blankets and gentle textures, journaling near a window, the sunlight falling on a simple vase of branches. When our homes are calm, our minds become calm too. Minimal fall decor is about creating not just beauty, but harmony, a sanctuary for your well-being. This fall, resist the urge to overfill your home. Choose calm neutrals, layer natural textures, highlight a few statement pieces, and let light and nature do the rest. Minimal fall decor proves that less is not empty, less is intentional. Thank you for joining.